Factory Sepasoft MES Training by Vistasparks Solutions Rocket. Master Advanced Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES, with our Sepasoft MES Training, designed to help you track, control, and optimize production processes in real time. Built on the Ignition platform, Sepasoft MES enables seamless integration between shop floor systems and enterprise applications, ensuring complete visibility and efficiency in manufacturing operations. Sepasoft MES helps organizations monitor production, manage resources, ensure quality, and maintain full traceability across the manufacturing lifecycle. Online certification course. Mastering Sepasoft MES training program is designed to help individuals and organizations improve their manufacturing processes. The program is developed by Vistasparks Solutions, a company specializing in digital transformation solutions. Participants will learn how to implement, configure, and manage Sepasoft MES, which enables them to increase operational efficiency and drive excellence throughout their organization. The training is tailored to meet the unique needs of each individual or organization, providing a customized learning experience that aligns with their specific goals and objectives. By taking part in this program, individuals and organizations can benefit from improved productivity, reduced downtime, and better integration with other systems. This allows them to position themselves for success in the rapidly changing world of smart manufacturing. Sepasoft MES is at the heart of a major transformation in manufacturing. This revolution is driven by the need for more efficient and effective production processes. By integrating all aspects of the manufacturing process, Sepasoft MES enables companies to optimize their operations, reduce waste and improve productivity. With Sepasoft MES, manufacturers can expect to see significant improvements in their ability to respond to changing market conditions and to stay ahead of the competition. The benefits of Sepasoft MES are clear, and it is an essential tool for any company looking to succeed in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. Manufacturing Execution System, MES, is a software application that monitors and controls manufacturing processes in real time. The system provides real-time visibility into production data, which allows organizations to make informed decisions about their manufacturing operations. The MES bridges the gap between different departments and systems, ensuring seamless communication and coordination throughout the production process. Monitoring and controlling production are critical components of the MES, which leverages live planning and production data to optimize workflow and reduce waste. The use of an MES improves efficiency, execution, and overall productivity, resulting in better quality and reduced lead times. The system also tracks and manages inventory levels, equipment performance, and other key metrics, allowing companies to respond quickly to changes in demand or production schedules. The MES serves as a single platform for connecting all aspects of the manufacturing operation, providing a unified view of production activities and enabling data-driven decision-making. Sepasoft MES is designed to help organizations achieve operational excellence by providing comprehensive training on its system. This training enables professionals to effectively utilize the system, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. Additionally, Sepasoft MES is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including connectivity, automation, and intelligence, making it suitable for modern manufacturing environments. By empowering professionals and preparing shop floors for the future of manufacturing, Sepasoft MES plays a crucial role in driving organizational transformation. Its industry-leading training solutions ensure that users can harness the full potential of the system, resulting in enhanced performance and competitiveness. Sepasoft MES individual training provides specialized skills to engineers, technicians, and operations professionals. This training helps individuals to gain the expertise needed in the industry. With Sepasoft MES, individuals can develop their careers by acquiring the necessary knowledge and skills. The training is designed to equip them with the latest technologies and methodologies used in the industry. By completing this training, individuals can enhance their job prospects and increase their earning potential. Sepasoft MES individual training is available for those who want to specialize in MES implementation, configuration, and management. It offers hands-on experience and practical knowledge to help individuals succeed in their roles. The MES Professional Training Program is designed for individuals who wish to acquire the necessary skills to excel in manufacturing operations. The program offers a comprehensive curriculum that combines theoretical knowledge with practical experience, enabling students to develop a strong foundation in MES implementation, execution, and maintenance. Sepasoft MES provides a comprehensive framework for digital transformation in manufacturing. The framework includes advanced tools and features that enable individuals to master key areas such as real-time production tracking, quality management, and data analytics. With Sepasoft MES, individuals can gain practical skills and knowledge that are essential for success in smart, connected, and automated operations roles. The framework also supports the development of new skills and competencies required by the industry. Furthermore, Sepasoft MES certification demonstrates a strong understanding of the latest trends and technologies in the industry, making it easier for individuals to stay ahead of the competition. Individuals who invest in their digital transformation through Sepasoft MES can expect significant benefits including enhanced career growth opportunities, practical skills, and increased industry readiness. Corporate training is essential for driving organizational transformation. By equipping your entire workforce with the necessary tools and knowledge, you can ensure that everyone is working together towards a common goal. This includes implementing Sepasoft MES at scale, which can lead to significant operational gains across your organization. With proper training, your employees will have the skills and confidence needed to successfully integrate Sepasoft MES into their daily operations. This, in turn, can help reduce costs, minimize downtime, and improve overall efficiency. By doing so, you can unlock the full potential of your organization and achieve greater success. Corporate training program for Sepasoft MES is designed to equip employees with the necessary skills to effectively manage and operate the system. The goal is to enable employees to work efficiently and make informed decisions that contribute to the overall success of the company. The training covers various aspects of the system, including implementation, configuration, and management. It also focuses on optimizing production processes and reducing operational costs. The program aims to achieve seamless integration with existing enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, providing real-time visibility into the entire supply chain. Our training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each company and its employees. We offer scalable programs for teams of all sizes, located in different parts of the world. This enables us to deliver a more efficient and effective training experience. Our focus is on improving efficiency, quality, and compliance within organizations. By streamlining workflows and minimizing downtime, we help companies achieve their full potential. We also ensure full traceability and adherence to industry standards and certifications. Our training solutions are data-driven, providing real-time operational insights that enable informed decision-making. This allows companies to identify areas for improvement and optimize their team's performance. Our corporate training advantages provide the necessary tools to support a company's digital transformation. Sepasoft MES training is designed to equip your teams with the skills they need to implement, configure, and manage our MES system with confidence and precision. The training program consists of 8 structured modules, each covering a specific aspect of MES operation, optimization, and scaling. These modules will take you from foundational concepts to advanced integration and analytics, ensuring you have the knowledge and expertise needed to operate, optimize, and scale your manufacturing systems effectively. Our comprehensive training program will guide you through every step of the process, providing hands-on experience and expert-led instruction to ensure your success. By the end of this training, your teams will be equipped to implement Sepasoft MES at scale, reducing operational costs, minimizing downtime, and driving manufacturing excellence throughout your organization. The training covers various aspects such as MES implementation, configuration, and management, as well as optimization techniques for improving efficiency and productivity. Advanced topics like data analytics and integration are also covered, enabling your teams to make informed decisions and drive business growth. Furthermore, the training emphasizes the importance of scalability and flexibility, allowing your teams to adapt to changing business needs and priorities. Sepasoft MES is designed to empower your digital transformation by providing a comprehensive framework for managing your manufacturing operations. This includes a thorough understanding of MES concepts, including definitions, importance, and history, as well as the Sepasoft platform architecture and its applications in leading manufacturers. The core features and architecture overview will provide a solid foundation for both individual learners and corporate teams new to MES. By laying the groundwork with this fundamental knowledge, you'll be able to take advantage of the full potential of Sepasoft MES and achieve a competitive edge in the market. Company has been using a traditional method for managing its manufacturing process, which involves manual data entry and paper-based records. The current system is outdated and inefficient, resulting in significant delays and errors. The company needs to modernize its system to meet the demands of the fast-paced industry it operates in. Modernizing the system would require significant investment, but the benefits would be substantial. The company should consider partnering with a third-party provider to implement a new system that meets its specific needs. Partnering with a third-party provider could provide access to cutting-edge technology and expertise, as well as reduced costs associated with implementation and maintenance. The company's goal is to improve its operational efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. By implementing a new system, the company can achieve these goals and remain competitive in the market. Software provides a comprehensive set of tools for quality control and assurance, including automated testing and validation, as well as real-time monitoring and reporting. These tools enable organizations to identify and address potential issues early on, reducing the risk of costly rework and improving overall efficiency. The system also includes advanced analytics and data visualization, which provide insights into product performance and quality trends. By leveraging these features, organizations can make informed decisions about product development and improvement, ultimately leading to improved quality and reduced costs. The module provides a comprehensive framework for managing inventory levels, including raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. It offers tools and techniques for optimizing warehouse operations, improving stock receipt, reducing errors, and enhancing supply chain efficiency. The module also emphasizes the importance of real-time visibility into inventory levels, which enables organizations to make informed decisions about production scheduling and inventory replenishment. Additionally, it highlights the need for synchronization between warehouse locations and production schedules to ensure seamless operations. By streamlining inventory management, organizations can reduce costs, minimize downtime, and increase productivity. The module provides a comprehensive framework for managing resources and workforce. The framework includes key components such as scheduling, allocation, and optimization of resources. The module also covers the importance of effective communication and collaboration between different departments and teams. Effective communication and collaboration are crucial for achieving optimal results in resource management. The module provides tools and techniques for optimizing resource utilization, reducing costs, and improving overall efficiency. The module also emphasizes the need for continuous monitoring and evaluation of resource usage and allocation. Continuous monitoring and evaluation enable organizations to make informed decisions about resource allocation and utilization. Machine connectivity and IoT integration are critical components of a smart manufacturing system. In this module, we will explore how to automatically collect data from machines using Sepasoft MES. This enables seamless and accurate data capture, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. Additionally, we will discuss predictive maintenance, leveraging IoT sensors to identify potential issues before they become major problems. By anticipating these issues, manufacturers can reduce downtime and lower costs. Furthermore, we will examine how to enable Industry 4.0, building a connected factory ecosystem where real-time data flows across all systems. This allows for better decision-making and improved overall performance. The key takeaway here is that machine connectivity and IoT integration are essential for any smart manufacturing initiative. The company offers a comprehensive reporting and analytics module that allows users to create real-time KPI dashboards, identify bottlenecks and root causes, and generate detailed, audit-ready reports. This module enables users to analyze performance trends and ensure regulatory compliance by tracking key performance indicators. Organizations can use this feature to gain valuable insights into their operations and make informed decisions to drive growth and efficiency. Individuals who have successfully implemented Sepasoft MES are able to identify areas for improvement and optimize their production processes through the module's performance trend analysis and compliance reporting capabilities. The module also helps users to build and maintain accurate records of their production data, which is essential for making informed business decisions. Sepasoft MES users can leverage the module's advanced analytics capabilities to monitor and control their production processes in real time. This includes analyzing production data to identify potential issues and taking corrective action to prevent them from becoming major problems. By using the module, organizations can improve their overall productivity and reduce costs associated with inefficiencies in their production processes. The module's ability to provide real-time insights into production operations allows companies to respond quickly to changes in demand and market conditions. The software can be integrated with various ERP systems such as SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. This integration allows for automation of work orders and scheduling processes, which reduces manual data entry and minimizes supply chain visibility issues. The automated workflow eliminates delays caused by manual intervention. Real-time status and tracking are provided, enabling improved supply chain collaboration through bidirectional data synchronization. The integration also connects the enterprise planning layer with the shop floor, providing a unified operational view. This connection enhances productivity and efficiency within the organization. Vistasparks Solutions provides customized training programs for mastering Sepasoft MES and transforming manufacturing processes. These programs offer individual enrollment and corporate options, enabling participants to select the level of support they require. Expert-led training allows participants to learn how to implement and manage Sepasoft MES at their own pace, scaling up their operations as needed. Furthermore, Vistasparks Solutions creates tailored training proposals to address the unique needs of each organization. Partnering with Vistasparks Solutions ensures a seamless transition to digital manufacturing and leads to significant operational improvements.